In this lesson, I will explain to you about Format tab and Size group. You can see here we have Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, and so on. But we do not have the Format tab here. And where is the Size group? We do not have the Size group. So here I am going to explain you. If you want to see Format tab and Size group, or if you want to use Format tab and Size group, first you have to insert any picture here. So from where you have to insert picture, go to the insert, and in the illustrations group you will find out the pictures and online pictures. If you are interested to insert any online picture, then you have to click online. But if you have saved some pictures on your desktop, on your USB or your or your documents or download, then you have to click here. So I have saved one picture on my documents, this one, and see the picture is here. As soon as the picture will come here, you will see the picture tools format tab also appears here. And now this is the size group. So we are discussing format tab and size group. If my picture is not selected, see this is not selected, you cannot see the circle here. There are 8 circles which are called the resizing handles, so he is not there. You have to click on your picture. When you will click on your picture, it means your picture is selected. So you can see these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. With the help of these circles, you can increase or decrease the height and width of your picture. And this one is the rotation. You can rotate your picture with this, right? Okay, now our picture is there. You can see the format tab is there. So we have a picture style. Open this arrow and try a different style, how you want to show your picture to your audience. I said, okay, suppose I like metal frame, this one, right? And then from here in the size group, you can see cropping, height and width. What does cropping means? Cropping means click on cropping, and if suppose you do not want to see Regina here, so you can crop this. If you do not want to see these part of the picture, you can crop from here. Similarly, if you do not want to show this part, so you can remove similarly from here. Now our picture is like this. Again you have to click if you could not find out your format tab, and with the help of these height and width, you can increase or decrease the height and width of your picture as well from here, and these from here as well, right? Now sometimes happens, see this is the centimeter, sometimes you need this measurement in inches, sometimes you need this measurement in millimeters. So I will show you how you can convert this centimeter to inches, or if you want in millimeters, you have to click on file tab, and then this is called the backstage view. In backstage view, click on the options button. From options you have to click advanced. In advance, you have to scroll down and find where is display. So this is the display, right? And here it says show measurements in units of. So currently we have in centimeters. Open this. You can change to inches or millimeters or points, whatever you want. I said inches and okay. So now you can see your centimeters are converted into inches. So this is inches. So you have learned about the size group, how you can increase or decrease the width, or how you can change these measurements, and the cropping. Now come back to the formatting here, format. So which now we want to make the border, which color you want for your border. Okay, I said this is fine according to our picture. And then picture effect. This is present, how you want to show your picture to your audience, like this or this. If I say like this, right, you can check all these one by one. And then this is the glow effect. Open this. If you need shadow as well, you want to show the shadow of your picture, so this is the shadow. Here you can change the color, right, whatever you want. Again it depends. And this is correction, brightness, contrast, 20%, 30%, whatever you want, you can do it from here. So one by one, again you can check according to your need. So in this lesson you have learned about the format tab and size group, right? Format tab will appear here. if you insert the picture, and you will see the size group here. And again, if your picture is there, but if you could not see the format tab and size group, it means your picture is not selected. So you have to click on your picture, it is selected. Now picture tools format tab and size group is there. If you still have any question regarding this, you can write down in comment section. And thanks for watching.